guys, welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys doing today? If you don't know me, my name is JahDeBeaute. I film DIYs, I film every day, and I'm going to be a mother soon. So yeah, welcome back and nice to meet you. Hit the subscribe button and turn the notification on so you know that when I upload. Almost there to the 1K goal, so let's do it. Support hashtag small YouTuber army. I don't know why I'm clapping. But yes, no, that is not for you. That's for your baby. Ugh. Have to keep this really clean. Alright, sorry for the distraction. My cat was, if you watch my previous video, I put up the crib by myself and my cat's trying to get in it and I'm trying to keep it kitty free because that's bad. So I have to clean it. But anyways, like I was saying, today's video is basically how to clean your makeup brushes DIY style. I guess a life hack, or I don't know what you call it, but we'll call it that. Because normally makeup cleaners are really expensive. I did have one before, but I lost it. And so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And what you'll need is dish soap. I prefer Dawn soap, but I don't really have Dawn soap because I ran out, so I use Gain. And then also you would need olive oil. I looked online and vegetable oil does work, and also a bar of soap to clean your beauty blenders and stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and then of course I'm going to do like a voiceover just to explain a little bit more because I've never done a voiceover in a long time. And also I will speed things up just so you can so the video won't be too long, because pretty much it. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Aloha guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is basically I'm showing you how to clean your makeup brushes. So what I use in that plate right there is basically like dish soap, and normally you're supposed to get dish soap like Dawn soap or olive oil, but technically I didn't have olive oil, so I use vegetable oil and it works just the same. So basically you just dip it and you separate two separate areas and you dip in both, and basically you take your palm of your hand, and I was trying to move the plate so that way it didn't fall because it was really hard. So basically you move the Alright, so um it's really hard to do voiceover. It's just like I haven't done one in a while. So as you can see, the brush I will show you is it's like really clean, and you do the same thing with your concealer brushes, and it takes a lot of time. I think it takes me about like 30 minutes to an hour doing it, but and you just do the same thing with all your brushes. I start with the big brushes first. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of showing you how, because the angle is wrong, but you just take your palm of your hands and you can actually see how dirty it is. So all that brown is from your foundation, your highlights and everything, and you just rub as fast hard as you can, but not too hard where you break it, but just enough where you can actually scrub. And then always take your hand underneath the um warm water, and usually normally do warm water, and you do it under warm water, and then basically you rinse your hand, then keep doing it constantly. And then of course then after that you put it underneath the water, rinse it, and do it a couple times in the water, and then of course squeeze it and make sure everything is like all the water and all the gunk comes out, and that's pretty much it. And you do the same thing with all your brushes. I like to start with my big brushes first because it's the ones that I use mostly, because the big brushes have that gunk and all that foundation, all the other stuff. So as you can see, I showed you all that color is like all that brush from all that like bronzer and stuff, and
it's kind of gross. So all that brown, and when you know it's actually clean is when you rub it, when you scrub it, and you see like just the soap, and you don't see any brown or like ooey gooey color, or just basically then you know it's actually clean. So that's pretty much it. And you do it constantly and just from a repeat, and you do all the brushes through every single one. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. And it's supposed to constantly repeat, and just takes a lot of time to scrub. But but it to get the brushes clean, you gotta do it. So, um, yep. And of course, if you need run out, remember you need Dawn soap or just dish soap and oil or vegetable oil. Hey guys, so this time is a little bit different. So basically, I'm cleaning my makeup sponge or beauty blender, I would say. So basically, you get like a bar of soap, simple, easy, a bar of soap. Just any plain bar of soap, doesn't matter what brand. I normally pick like Dio, I don't know how to pronounce that, but any bar of soap that you have laying around the house. Um, and basically, you take the bar of soap and you rub it on your beauty blender on the bar of soap, and it works perfectly. You just scrub just enough where you can get all that gunk out. Pretty much as you can see, I'm rubbing it. And then after that, you put your bar of soap down, and then you squeeze all that excess off of the, you know, and I think some part will probably show you what I'm talking about, but you squeeze all that excess off, and you continue to rub the bar of soap, and you'll see like once you squeeze all that excess and all that foundation and all that foundation and concealer off, it you can see like it will be nice and clean. So you do that consistently over and over again, and you'll see like the end results shortly. So that's pretty much it. It's simple, it's awesome. I love this hack, and I hope you guys enjoy this hack. So, yeah. You can actually see a bit closer. I kind of zoomed in. So that's my pink beauty blender. I had it for a really long time. As you can see, if you can look at it really closely, you can see all that gunk come out, all that foundation, all that concealer. It's actually a good thing because scrub it. So you take your bar of soap, rinse it underneath water a little bit, but that's okay. And basically, you just rub it as hard as you can, and all that uh nastiness will come out, and you continue to squeeze it, and it works amazingly, and it gets the beauty blender clean, and I will show you the results afterwards. All right guys, so this is the final result. You take a paper towel, you take a regular towel, and just basically put it down to let it to dry. As you can see, the brushes, they're nice and clean, nice and smell. Actually, it kind of smells good because normally Dawn soap or soap smells really good. I have like a scented one, but it's basically clean. And you just lay it down here, let it dry for at least like a day or two, and your brushes are perfectly clean. They're all clean. They're all wonderful and fresh, and yeah, they're all clean. And this is just a little glimpse of all my brushes laying down, and I laid them down for like a day or two to dry. Normally 24 hours, depending on how it is. And some I don't really actually have a place to hang it or dry it, or normally but I just put it in the baby room because that's where I normally do my makeup and film. But it's all clean. As you can see, the bloody booty blender, how it was before, it's basically clean. There is some little bit of um, brown things and like a little stain, but other than that, it's really clean.
So my tripod is literally broken. One side is lopsided and it's just not giving in. So I'm sitting on the floor and it's really uncomfortable, and yeah, I'm really upset. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and hope you guys learned that tip and hack how to clean your makeup brushes if you don't have the actual money to buy those makeup cleaner thingamabobs, makeup cleaners. And I know it's really expensive, so that's pretty much it. And I understand some of you don't do makeup, but that's just, it's okay. I just wanted to show you guys what to do. And yeah, so hit the subscribe button, turn the notification on, so that way you are notified when I upload. And subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you back. Check out your channel, watch your videos, hashtag small YouTuber army. I'm going to say this almost to my goal. Thank you guys so much for your support. I love you guys. Mahalo nui noa. And also, it is optional, but there is a, I'm not saying that you have to, I'm not saying that you need to, but I do have a PayPal me down below, and basically you can just donate money and support this channel so that I can have great, wonderful content for you guys and have the wonderful, awesome videos and gear and stuff. But you don't have to, it is optional, but I'm just letting you know that is down below. So if you want to, go ahead and click it. And yeah, and also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. The links will be down below and the end of the credits. So thanks for watching. Mahalo nui noa. And join the cousin Ohana, because Ohana is family, and family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten. A hui ho, and I'll catch you on the next way.